Ayon kay Miss Maria Runan Catalan na Chief Accountant ng Department of Education, siya ay pinapirma sa liquidation report, ngunit ang kanya lang nakita ay ang cover letter.
Paano po kayo magse-certify ng isang dokumento na complete and proper nang hindi nyo nakita? Hindi po ba kayo nagtaka na nagse-certify kayo ng isang dokumento na complete and proper pero hindi nyo naman nakikita yung laman ng loob?
Unfortunately, that was the case, sir. I was requested to sign the document.
Oh, you signed the document, but you never bothered to read this mandate of yours?
Ma'am, who ordered you to sign the document?
I not really ordered, but I was requested by...
Yes, who requested you to sign the document?
By ASEC Shine Paharda.
Sino po?
Si Assistant Secretary Shine Paharda.
Sunshine Fajarda.